It's Tuesday morning. I had a great weekend in Sudbury. Went to have coffee with my friends, went to church. Really great weekend. I went to my doctor's appointment. It went really well. She prescribed me a new medication, so we'll see how that goes. I haven't tried it yet. It's not ready. I did buy myself flowers yesterday, and they're so pretty. They're just white carnations. I love carnations because they live a lot longer than roses, but they look like roses. So you get the best of both worlds. So guys, I'm having like a moment of, this is what I gotta do if I'm gonna do anything in my life. And right now it's to clean my room. When you walk into my room, just at the door, it's, pretty bad, I would say. On a scale of 1 to 10, I think this is a 10. Like, insane. So I need to tackle this right now before I get any studying done. So I'm going to start with getting some laundry. Just about to get it washed. Alright, let's get this done. Alright, well, laundry's done. That looks better. Now, I think I'm gonna make my bed. Making your bed always makes things look better. Like, instantly gives your room a facelift. Let's do that. Okay, so my bed's made. It's not perfect, but at least it's better than what it was before. Now, I think I'm going to find any garbage and put it in the garbage, and then take care of my dishes and wash them. And then I think we'll be getting somewhere. I think I should be finished in about 20 minutes if I really get going. Dishes are done and set, and you can already tell that my room's looking even just a little bit better. Now I think I'm going to take out all of my garbage and take care of that, and then from there we'll see how my room looks. Alright, so now I'm going to take everything that's on my floor and put it on my bed. Everything is on my bed, but look at this. I have a floor! What a concept. Oh my goodness. Now, the strategy is to tackle the bed, the nightstand, and this chair. Later on tonight, I'm going to tackle my desk and that guy. Plus, I'll do my laundry, finish folding it. And here's the finished product. It's the end of a wonderful day. My midterm went really well. I'm super happy with it. It really wasn't all that challenging. I covered all the material that I needed to for the test itself, so it went really well, which is exactly what I wanted, and I really wasn't expecting that, so that is a huge relief. After that, I went home and I relaxed for a little bit. My mom and I chatted for a bit, and I went over to my Bible study for the first time, and it was really good. I really enjoyed the time and my time with the girls, and just kind of that time devoted to my faith. Yeah, so after that I drove some girls home, and we had a lot of fun in the car, and we actually cleaned my car really quickly, and as in cleaning I mean just moving the garbage to the back, to the trunk, but in my mind that's cleaning, because at least people can sit in my car now, so that's great. After that, I came home. Earlier in the evening, I made this really yummy guacamole dip with pickles, which sounds really weird, and you don't think that it would work, but it actually works really well with the recipe. So I made that, and it was super, super filling. I really, really enjoyed that, and I'm really happy that my avocados didn't go bad, because I find that avocados are just one of those fruits or vegetables, whatever, that go bad really quickly, and it's kind of hard to eat them, so I'm really happy that my avocados were perfect and ripe, and I was able to make a really yummy recipe with it. Yeah, now I'm planning on finishing my room. I'm currently eating a yummy piece of cheesecake. It's so good. I love cheesecake. Now I'm going to clean my desk and my dresser, and just tidy things up. organize some things, and then I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm going to head off to bed. So I will update you guys when my room is clean, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye!